Okay, everyone. So by now you should have completed part one, where you read the excerpt from The Voyage of the Beagle. So I'm going to show you the next step in part two, what I need you to do. So for example, I read the excerpt from Davenport, England, that was made on December 27th, 1831. And the goal of this next activity is to plot and pin where Darwin made his entry on a Google map. So the first thing you'll do is you need to find the link um, to your class periods map. So I'm going to start with 8th period for right now. Let's see here. There we go. And you'll need to search. In order to plot your point, you'll need to search. So Davenport. His first stop was in Davenport, England, and so that drops a pin right there. So I'm going to start here, and when you click on this, I can add it to my map, and you can double click, and we can edit what we want this to say. So I'm going to say Davenport, England, and I'm go back and remind myself that Darwin stopped there December 27th, 1831. Now here, there's actually a place where you can write a little bit of a description. So I want to add in here what Darwin actually did. So I just copied and pasted this so I could, for the sake of the screencast. So I'm just going to say Darwin and Company set off on a voyage around the world to study plants and animals. The ship sails past the Grand Canary Islands and plans to anchor in San Diego. So basically, I just summarized what I read here in the text here. So I'm going to save that. Now, another cool thing, when I edit this, I can actually add pictures. So I'm going to add a picture of Charles Darwin, and I would like you to add something that is relevant to what that text discussed. So Charles Darwin, and I'm also going to add one more picture, and I can add this little plus right here, of the ship. So the ship is called the HMS, whoops, spelled that wrong, Beagle, and I'm going to add my ship there. So the goal would be later on, you are going to travel through all of the different points and places that Darwin visited. So now you have a couple pictures here, and you have a short description of what occurred at that voyage point.